All right, next one up, Yamaha MT09, one of our favorites. This is one Kaio's just taken in next door. Just waiting for a little Trott TLC before it goes in the showroom. Got a little bit of rust here and there, nothing too major. That exhaust is going to take some work. Doesn't look like it's been cleaned in some time. Typical rusty disc bolts. These are lovely bikes, but if they're not properly protected, they do corrode. We'll get all this chain all serviced, re-lubed, get it looking like it should, get a little protection on it, get it in the showroom. These things sell very quickly once they've been trotted. So give me a couple hours. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Yamaha MT09 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty Valets, which does include the exhaust polishing. It's had a good coating of XCP corrosion protection. These MTs do need a bit of protection. Fantastic bikes, but they do go rusty. All the wheels have been meticulously cleaned, all the disc calipers. We touched up a few bits and pieces. All that chain's been serviced, blow dried, re-lubed. The chain ring has all been painted. That shock that had a few marks on it has all been touched up and coated with the XCP. The exhaust, I mean, what can I say? That has come up like new. Look at that. Does your detailer leave your bike looking like that? Front disc bolts have been sorted. Just did a single stage polish on that windscreen because it had a couple of stickers on it. Absolutely gleaming. All done 2 hours on the dot. 07966 249 963.